channel. It's Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, although I do bonus uploads. I upload all the time. So if you haven't subscribed, do that right now. Subscribe. Okay, so today I have this pretty girl, and this is a special wig review because it's 2 things. First of all, it's March. This is my birthday month. I am upgrading some things, so you're going to see some different things. I have a mic, I have a new light coming, I have new filters, I have a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm trying to like upgrade it. I'm turning 43. So it is what it is, right? So I thought because I'm a Pisces that I would do a special wig for the Pisces out there. And who better to have a Pisces wig than my favorite company, Freetress Equal. So this is Freetress Equals Pisces. I have her in the color OMBronze, so it's an ombre bronze. She comes in a few colors. She's heat safe up to 400 degrees. She's a lace front wig. She does have the L-shape parting. I did get her from Poshmark, but I'll put all the information down below. When I first got this wig, I wasn't sure I was feeling her because first of all, she has bangs. You know I hate bangs. And I do love these sort of like tiered colors, but I just thought that the stark blonde on the bottom was a little too much. But it's definitely growing on me. I almost feel like if this was just the tips, like maybe just like that, it would be better. But the more and more I see it, I really feel like I do like that blonde on the bottom. It's not a full 613. It's probably more in the 800s. So it's not super stark, but yeah, I kind of really like it. I'm digging it. Comfortable wig cap. I wouldn't say it's overly large, but it's comfortable. The density, okay, so the texture of this hair is more of like a natural curly type. So you could get a little bit of snagging, but it really brushes out quite easily. See? It's brushing out quite easily and keeping sort of that beautiful curl. This is definitely like a number 2 up here. This is going to be sort of your 30, and then like I said, you're getting into like your 800s. I think the ombre on this is so pretty. The density is more of a realistic density because this is all the hair to the front, so there's not a crap ton of hair. So I do like that because if you wanted to, you could do like this and sort of make it, a little bit, bigger and fuller looking, but you're not going to have a crap ton of hair. Or you could come through with the brush and sort of just do one of these where you're really, detailing and defining these curls a little bit more. And then, sort of bring down the volume, so to speak. See, like that. So it's just really like your preference. The bangs are not too bad. They can be tucked. Yeah, they can be tucked back, which I actually do enjoy. Let's look at her from the back. I got this new lens so that you could see more of the full wig. Oh, yeah. She's probably in the... she is like legit touching my rump. And I am 5'6.5". So she's going to be in that 24, 26 inch range for sure. Like I said, she's not a ton of hair, so it doesn't feel crazy like a long wig would. But yeah, you know what? I'm really loving this wig. I really am. I love these colors. I know these type of coloring isn't for everyone, but I really enjoy it. I love a Freetress Equal wig. I like these sort of pretty, romantic curls. Yeah, it's comfortable. It was super easy to get together, so I definitely am feeling this wig. If you have Pisces, please put down below what color you have, what you think of her. If there is another Freetress Equal wig you would like me to review, please put that down below. Everything I did to this wig to get her together will be following these, this clip right here. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.